How to create presets. So presets are an awesome way to speed up your editing and create a really cohesive look across all of your photos, which can look really good for, let's say, an Instagram account, like what I've done here with mine. All I really did to get this look is just copy and paste the same preset that I already made once, and then you can just do a little bit of tweaking here and there to make sure all the photos flow. So let me show you how. So first, I'm just going to choose a photo, and I'm just going to edit it however I want to fit my style. Cool, so now I've got my photo edited, and you can see that was the before. This is after. It's got a lot of blues and oranges in it, which I really like for my style. So now to create a preset, all you have to do is just click on the three dots up at the top right, and then you just go down to Create Preset. And then you can just give it a name. And then you can choose which of the options that you want to include in the preset that will be pasted onto other photos. Now, I didn't really use tools, optics, or geometry, so I'm just going to go ahead and just leave those unchecked. And then I'm going to leave everything else checked. So now all we have to do is just click on the little check up here at the top right. And then that was just added to our user presets. So now you can apply this to any other photo. So let me show you. We're just going to hit the back arrow. And we'll just choose another photo, like let's say this next one. And then we're just going to go over to presets down at the bottom. And then you can just click on color to switch to a different category. And we're going to go down to user presets that you can now see at the bottom. And then I would just choose my preset. And then that's going to apply it. Now I think the blues look a little bit too bright. So what you can do is just hit the check mark. And then you can tweak it however you want still. So I'm going to go back over to, let's say, the color. And then I'll go over to mix. And then choose blue. And then I'm just going to drag those blues down just a bit. I just think they were a little too harsh. And then again, I can just switch the colors however I want. Maybe I want a little bit more cyan color in there like that. And then just hit done. And now you can see that was before. And that's after. So this is a really easy way to apply the same edit to any photo. So I'll go show you on another photo, and I'll do it to this photo too. Again, just go over to presets, Dale's Insta preset, and then boom, it already looks fantastic. I might want to bring those blues down just a little bit again, so I'll go over to color, and then go over to mix, then go over to blue, and just drag them down a bit. And that photo looks instantly so much better. And it was so quick and easy. And you can create as many user presets as you want. You can do one that's a little less aggressive on the saturation, one that's more in the middle, and then one that's really saturated, just depending on whichever photo that you're editing. All the photos you take are going to have different lighting conditions, and they're all going to come out just slightly different. So there's always going to be a little bit of tweaking involved, but presets gets all the work done for you.